The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. United States military and NASA has detected some mysterious alien-type spaceship landing in the U.S. military. All citizens must remain vigilant at this time. If you must travel, you must exercise precaution at this time. More details will follow.